How complete is our census of the Sun's closest neighbors? Astronomers using NSF's NOIRLab facilities and a team of data-sleuthing volunteers participating in Backyard Worlds, Planet 9, a citizen science project, have discovered roughly 100 cool worlds near the Sun, objects more massive than planets but lighter than stars, known as brown dwarfs. Several of these newly discovered worlds are among the very coolest known, with a few approaching the temperature of Earth, cool enough to harbor water clouds. Discovering and characterizing astronomical objects near the Sun is fundamental to our understanding of our place in, and the history of, the universe. Yet astronomers are still unearthing new residents of the solar neighborhood. A remarkable breakthrough was announced today, with the discovery of roughly 100 cool brown dwarfs near the Sun. 1. The new Backyard Worlds discoveries bridge a previously empty gap in the range of low-temperature brown dwarfs, identifying a long-sought missing link within the brown dwarf populate. These cool worlds offer the opportunity for new insights into the formation and atmospheres of planets beyond the Solar System, said Aaron Meisner from the National Science Foundation's NOIRLab and the lead author of the research paper. The results, to be published in the Astrophysical Journal, demonstrate the rapidly growing role of survey and archival data research in astronomy today. Brown dwarfs lie somewhere between the most massive planets and the smallest stars. Lacking the mass needed to sustain nuclear reactions in their core, brown dwarfs resemble cooling embers. Their low mass, low temperature and lack of internal nuclear reactions make them extremely faint, and therefore extremely difficult to detect. Because of this, when searching for the very coolest brown dwarfs, astronomers can only hope to detect such objects relatively close to the Sun. To help find our Sun's coldest and nearest neighbors, the astronomers of the Backyard Worlds project turned to a worldwide network of more than 100,000 citizen scientists to Despite the abilities of machine learning and supercomputers, there's no substitute for the human eye when it comes to scouring telescope images for moving objects. The keen eyes of the Backyard Worlds volunteers have already discovered more than 500 cold worlds near to the Sun, and today's paper presents roughly 100 of the coldest in that sample. A handful of these cool worlds, which are among the very coldest brown dwarfs known, approach the temperature of Earth. NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope provided the brown dwarf temperature estimates. 3. Brown dwarfs are expected to cool as they age, passing from near stellar temperatures down to planetary temperatures and below, fading all the while and eventually winking out. The new discoveries attest to this picture by uncovering elusive examples of brown dwarfs approaching Earth temperature. The technical burden of downloading billion-object astronomical catalogs is typically insurmountable for individual investigators, including most professional astronomers. AstroDataLab also enables convenient matching between datasets from NOIRLab telescopes and external facilities, such as NASA's WISE satellite, that jointly contributed to these brown dwarf discoveries. In addition to AstroDataLab's making data accessible to the Backyard Worlds collaboration, archival observations by telescopes at two other NOIRLab programs, CTIO and KPNO, were also key to this discovery. Currently under construction on Cerro Pachón in the Chilean Andes, Rubin Observatory will image the visible sky from the southern hemisphere every 3 nights over 10 years, providing a vast amount of data that will enable new ways of doing astrophysical research. Many more of these brown dwarfs are in the 30 to 60 light-year distance range. 2. Backyard Worlds, Planet 9 is hosted by Zooniverse. 3. Complementary follow-up observations were also supplied by Keck Observatory, Mont Megantic Observatory, and Carnegie Institution for Science's Las Campanas Observatory. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you new tech videos. Thank you.